The O-ring seal seals the carburetor to the engine's intake. It fits inside the back of the carburetor and is secured by the seal retainer. Over time, the O-ring can harden and crack. This can allow dirt into the engine. A cracked O-ring can also allow too much air into the engine, causing the engine to run lean and the RPMs to surge or run erratically. Replacing the O-ring seal is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover and the air filter. Now remove the air filter base. Now I'll clamp off the fuel line and remove it from the carburetor. With the fuel line removed, now I can remove the carburetor. The O-ring and retainer will usually stick on the intake. I'll go ahead and remove them. Now I can replace the O-ring. I'll place the O-ring inside the opening on the carburetor, and then install the retainer. Now I can reinstall the carburetor. I'll reconnect the linkages, and then slide the carburetor onto the intake. Now reconnect the fuel line and reinstall the clamp. Now I'll reinstall the air filter base. Now reinstall the air filter. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter cover. And that's all it takes to replace the O-ring seal on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.